Okay, so I had a problem with Davinci Resolve 16. It was about that my clip was becoming black. So I'm going to show you why that happened. It happens because in Fusion, your media in and media out was deleted. So if I delete these two, your clip becomes black. Like this. So this is the problem we have. If you want to fix this, you need to click on your clip, open Fusion, and add to. You press the right mouse button, go to add to, go to IO, and select media in and media out, and connect these two. And you'll get your clip back.